Good day everyone, my name is Sir Lanuza and I'm going to teach you a little bit about Google Workspace. What is Google Workspace? That's a question that we'll first answer, so let's have it. Google Workspace is a collection of cloud-based productivity and collaboration tools, such as Gmail for email, Google Calendar for scheduling, Google Drive for cloud storage, and Google Docs editor suite, such as Docs, Sheets, Slides for document creation, all integrated under one platform. But for this particular episode, we're going to tackle two of the most commonly used workspaces, which are Google Docs and Google Drive. Particularly how to start creating a Google Docs from Google Drive. Alright, so let's begin. The first step to accessing Google Workspace or any Google Workspace is to first access the Google website by typing www.google.com on the search bar of your browser and then hit the enter button. Once you're in the Google homepage, click on the button with 6 dots at the upper right corner of your screen. A drop-down should appear, and I want you to click on Google Drive. It looks like a triangle with green, yellow, and blue sides. Congratulations, you're already inside Google Drive. Now, here's what Google Drive looks like. It has your files in it, and practically it's just a storage for everything that you have created within the particular suite that you're using. It varies depending on the account that you've used, but anything that you created for the particular account should appear inside your Google Drive. To access Google Docs from Google Drive, you must first click on the new button, which is on the upper left corner with a plus sign. A drop down should appear, and from there I want you to choose Google Docs. Pressing Google Docs will bring you to a new Google Docs, and within this you would find the Google Docs interface. Alright, so let's try to explore the Google Docs interface. On the upper left corner of your interface, you would find a blue paper-like logo. That's your Google Docs home screen button. You press that to go to your home screen on Google Docs. Right beside it is your document title. As of now, it's called Untitled Document because this is just a test or a sample. Right beside your document title, you would find a little star, and this is a button that you would click in order to make this particular document a favorite. Below these three, you would find your menu bar, and in your menu bar, you would find the File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Extension, and Help buttons. Alright, so in the upper right corner, the first button there is your Leave a Comment button or your Show All Comments button. Right beside your Leave a Comment button, you would find a Join a Call button. This is particularly helpful if you are doing this document collaboratively with other people, in which you can create a call, and this is the particular thing that you're gonna do with your colleagues or your friends or your classmates. So this one is very helpful. Beside it, you would find the Share button, and this is where you could share your file with your classmates, give them access, whether you would want them to be viewers or editors. You could make your colleagues or your classmates whatever you want, as long as you give them the link that is provided within that Share button. Below the menu bar, you would find your toolbar, and here you would find the different tools that you might find in your Microsoft Word. The blank space or the blank area, the big blank area is your typing area. This is where you would put your inputs or whatever it is that you're gonna type. Alright, so let's say you're done typing and you want to save the file. So first things first, you have to rename the file by going to the rename part, which is in the upper left, just beside the docs home screen. And I want you to type your name. And in this case, we're going to type Sir Lanuza Doc 1. Notice that once you change the name of the document, it automatically saves in the save state. The save state is the one that you would find beside the star. It's here saying saving. It means that it's actually saving in real time. This is one of the advantages of Google Docs. It saves during real time. Alright, so let's see, once you're done, you want to export the file. You want to, let's say, share it by getting a copy of it. So to export, you must first click on File on the menu bar. By clicking on File, this will prompt a drop down, and in the drop down, I want you to look at it. It should look like this. From here, you would hover your cursor on the download. This brings about another drop down of the choices on how you want your file to be exported. And Google really provided us with a vast range of choices in terms of how we could export our file. For the sake of discussion, I want to save this as a docs format. So I'm gonna click Microsoft Word .docs, and by clicking on that, it should automatically download. Alright, like clockwork, it downloaded. You would find it on your downloads, and right there you can find Sir Lanuza Doc 1.docs. If for some reason you want to rest and continue later, just simply close the tab or your browser. As long as you have a stable internet connection, there's no problem. You're golden. It's gonna save no matter what. When you want to continue, let's say you're done resting, just go back to Google Drive and you will find your work there, safe and sound, just like clockwork. That's about it, guys. I hope that you've learned a lot with our short discussion on how to use Google Drive to access Google Docs. Bye-bye. This is Sir Lanuza. Peace.